We should go back this way and go around Saloon again, to back behind bus maybe. What do you think?
I'm set.
Want to go back?
Yeah, go.
Let's go. Ready? Go.
Están detrás de la goma. Yo cogí al tipo que estaba en salón. ¿Oíste?
¿Ah?
Cogí al tipo que estaba en salón por el lado.
Hit, 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 hit!
Hit!
Jesus, I called it 5 times.
The guy standing behind you still aiming at me.
I don't think you could shoot him up through me. So, oh, el que está detrás de ti me está apuntando. Ok, pero yo no soy. You can't fucking hit you through me. What the fuck?
I wasn't even know where he was. ¿Cómo estar apuntándole?
Like you guys are being aggressive. Everybody else is pretty stagnant.
Yep.
Yeah.
Tires.
Behind the tires.
Yep, yep. If you want to move, I'll cover you.
Okay. Do you think I can make it to the bus?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. Ready? Go.
Yeah,
You got a whole ass.
on the next one. Okay.
Ready? Go.
Guy on the left side of the bus.